Are you interested in the field of animation and multimedia? Are you interested in drawings and wants to express your creativity through your work? If yes is your answer, then this particular video is surely for you. So do watch this video, because this particular video I will be telling you about certain professional courses related to animation and multimedia. In this particular video I will be discussing about the skills required for this animation multimedia course, course's duration, its eligibility part, career prospects and job opportunities. And what more? Recruiters and the salary part also I will be discussing in this particular video. Do watch this video till the end, don't leave it in between, otherwise you will not be able to receive the most important information related to your career option. Hello friends, this is Rohit Gupta. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Rohit G's Counseling. Thanks for being a part of Rohit G's Counseling, and thanks for your support and love in the form of the queries which I am receiving in my comment section. I am trying to solve all the queries related to all the career options. Promising you that I will be coming live also to solve your queries and doubts related to different career options. I have a simple request that the people who haven't subscribed for my channel, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that in future you can get the notifications for my upcoming videos. So let's get started with our video. What is animation course all about? These days various computers and different softwares are used to create the work of animation. Now if we talk about the skills required, what are skills which are required in a candidate who are going to pursue this animation course? Skills are observation skills, creativity, good drawings and sketching skills, patience and concentration, ability to get into the character, communication skills, computer and software skills, eye for specific details, and there should be teamwork skills also. So these are the skills which are required for a candidate to pursue for multimedia and animation course. Now if we talk about the courses, what all courses are available in this particular field. So there are bachelor's degree courses are also there, diploma courses are also there, as well as certificate courses are also available. Now if we talk about the bachelor's degree course. So in bachelor's degree course you can do BA in animation and multimedia, BSc in animation and multimedia, Bachelor of Visual Arts, Bachelor of Fine Arts, BA in animation and CG arts, BA in animation and graphic designing, BA in digital filmmaking and animation, BSc in animation and VFX, BSc in animation and gaming. Different courses under the bachelor's degree course. Duration for undergraduate or bachelor's degree program course is 3 years. As we all know that it's a bachelor degree, so it is for 3 years duration only. What is the eligibility for going for bachelor's degree course? Students should qualify their 10+2 with any stream, maybe commerce, maybe science, maybe arts. The minimum aggregate marks requirement criteria is around 50%. It depends on the institutes where you are taking the admission for animation and multimedia course. Now if we talk about the diploma courses, what all different courses are available in diploma. So you can do diploma in 2D designing, you can do diploma in 2D animation, diploma in 3D animation, diploma in digital animation, diploma in CG animation, diploma in animation and filmmaking, diploma in VFX, diploma in animation and VFX, diploma in animation, video editing and post-production work. So these are for certain courses under diploma. Duration for the diploma course is around 1 year, but it may vary from institute to institute. Eligibility for diploma course is 10+2 from any stream, maybe commerce, science or arts stream. The minimum aggregate marks criteria is around 50% marks. Now if we talk about the certificate courses, what all different courses are available for certificate programs? Certificate in VFX, certificate in 2D animation, certificate course in 3D animation, certificate course in animation, editing and post-production work, certificate course in CG arts. So these are different courses under certificate programs. Here one thing I want to tell you, that certificate courses are not as much detailed as the bachelor's degree courses are there, because the duration for certificate courses is around 3 to 6 months, and even the eligibility is that 10th pass candidate can go for the certificate courses. So these are not as detailed as bachelor's degree programs are detailed one. So you get vast knowledge in degree program rather than going for a certificate program. Now in this particular animation multimedia, advanced PG programs are also available, which are in the form of MA, MSc, postgraduate diploma, postgraduate certificate courses. Now, if we talk about these courses, what all courses are there in PG programs? Under advanced PG courses, you can go for MSc in animation and digital designing. You can go for MSc in animation and digital filmmaking. MSc in visual arts, MA in multimedia and animation, MA in digital filmmaking and animation, PG diploma in animation. So these are the courses under advanced PG course. Now in this particular course, animation multimedia, there are different specializations which are included. If you talk about specializations, the specializations are visual effects, modeling, 2D animation, 3D animation, illustration, texturing, game designing, graphic designing, specific software. So these are different specializations available in this particular course. Now if we talk about the career prospects or the job prospects, so if we talk about few years back, animation has emerged to become a very popular career among the youths. Previously, this field was pretty much unknown to the students. They were not knowing about particular field, what scope was there in that particular field. But in the last few years, this field has gained much attention from the side of the Indian students. Studios, film production houses, and animation companies are pouring a lot of talent in this particular field. And they are investing more and more money in this particular field because latest technology demands this career as a hot and happening career. To name a few job profile in this particular field, you can be a director, action designer, script writer, illustrator, storyboard artist, digital painter, animator, modeler, compositor and editor. So these are the few job profiles in which you can work upon. Now if we talk about the main recruiters, who are the main recruiters who will be recruiting the candidates who have qualified this particular course? So recruiters may be animation studios, film production houses, media agencies, advertising agencies, post-production houses, computer and mobile game developers and web entities. So these are the few recruiters. Now last part is the salary part. How much salary you are expecting after completing this particular course? I will be telling you the salary, the approximate salary, but it will not be fixed because it mostly depends on your skill, knowledge and experience, as well as a major contribution is by the institute in which you have completed your course, as well as it depends on the companies which are hiring you. So in every career video, I'm again and again telling to the candidates that it depends mostly on your talent, knowledge and experience, rather than blaming the institutes, rather than blaming the companies. If you are having talent, you are having experience and knowledge, then obviously you will have a great career ahead. So the approximate salary, average salary, I'm talking about the approximate or average salary starting at initial stages is 15,000 to 25,000 per month. But again, I'm telling you, it depends on your profile, your knowledge and the company's profile. So if you like this video, do give me thumbs up and give me feedback in my comment section how you like this video. Don't forget to share this video as much as you can in your Facebook and WhatsApp group. Even don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, have a nice day. Good day.